I'ma be great.
Thank you everyone for your patience, and we'll start taking some questions now. Thank you very much for attending, and we apologise if you were unable to get your question in.
It was a slight on my honor, so he deserved it. But we're talking about the most brilliant mind this world has ever seen.
Trafford, the focus of considerable attention, and with good reason. It's Manchester United against Arsenal, two sides who certainly carry resonance. This meeting live next on EA TV. Hello there, sad to say the weather hasn't cooperated today. It's absolutely lashing down here at Old Trafford. I'm Derek Ray, perched here on the commentary gantry, and sitting alongside me to provide expert analysis is Stuart Robson. And we've got Premier League action coming right up. It is Manchester United versus Arsenal.
Thanks, Derek, as always. This should be a good game. Great atmosphere inside the stadium. We've got two teams full of quality, some interesting matchups, and two coaches that want to play an attractive brand of football. What more could you ask for?
Dangerous looking through ball. And a goal! They start as they need to continue. They make the opening statement.
Well, we can see it again now, and it all starts with the pass over the top. It takes out so many defenders, and then the shot could not be hit any better. Struck with such venom. Great goal.
So the match has restarted, 1-0 here. Saka. Thomas Partey. A putting it wide from there. Disappointing. Alphonso Davies. Bruno Fernandes has it. Well-timed tackle. Well, as we glance at the...
Hang on, Derek, it's a chance here.
And danger still. And there it is, a goal. I must say, much to the annoyance of the keeper.
Well, here it is again, and I feel a bit sorry for the goalkeeper. He makes a good save to start with, but where are his defenders following in? Instead, it's the attacker who's alert. He gets to the ball first, and it's a good finish.
So back underway following the equaliser. Sané. On to Martial. Just couldn't capitalise there. Can they do something positive on the counter-attack? Defenders need to cover. Well, that is how to break up a counter-attack. Fernandes. Sané. Rashford. And the keeper there to deal with it. Corner kick played in. Still not clear. Blocked it brilliantly. Rashford. And crossing towards the far post. Really good high press. And gobbled up with ease by the keeper. Oh, lovely incisive pass. Well, a pass in behind the defence. Quick thinking from the keeper. Anthony Martial. And he's broken free. And a goal it is to put them in front again. No less than they deserve.
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they break forward once they win the ball back. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
And as they kick off again, 2-1 the current state of affairs. Jesus. And getting the ball forward. Oh no, it's gone a begging.
Well, they can't miss opportunities like that. What a chance to equalise.
Aurélien Tchouameni. Marcus Rashford. Rashford. Well, still an issue here. Magnificent defending. And it's Gabriel Jesus. And he takes on the shot. Keeper getting the touch. Well, it looked so promising, but a goal kicked the outcome. Diogo Dalot. Leroy Sané. Oh, that's a pass of high quality. Penalty, in the opinion of the referee. And this is seriously getting away from them. Well, some might say he's been fortunate to avoid being shown the card.
Well, I like that from the referee. Just because it's a penalty doesn't mean it's a yellow card. I think he's got it right.
Is it going to be 3-1? And he finds the net! No difficulties in counter!
Well, here's Here's the replay, and he just strikes the ball down the middle. The goalkeeper gets out of the way. It's a really good penalty and no danger that the goalkeeper was going to save that.
Well, the action continues, and no shortage of goals. 3-1 as things stand. Martinelli could reduce the deficit, and he does. There was hope for them, despite the adversity they suffered earlier. So back in action, and Arsenal just one behind now. Well read to ease the pressure. Sané. Marcus Rashford in position. Well, threat averted. Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. El Neni. Martinelli. Well, that takes the wind out of their sails. Great defending. Anthony Martial. And Bellingham. Moving the ball nicely, looking for that final pass. Well, the supporters think it's on. Sané. And now Rashford. Well, that's clear. Excellent defending.
Well, you can tell what the fans think of that decision. They're certain it should have been a penalty.
Wonderfully weighted pass. Credit to them for winning back possession. And the referee has awarded a corner following that touch. Well, they fancy a short one. Running with the ball confidently. Terrific block. Can he find the net? Well, what a stop that was. Short corner it is. Not increasing the pressure, another corner it is. Delivering it. Not all that convincing defensively. Well, it came to nothing in the end. Bodies forward and the break looks on. Sané. Well, showing excellent judgment to intercept. Bruno Fernandes. And blocked for now. Oh, good vision. A mischievous effort. Well, there it is. Real resilience for you, having been 2 goals down.
Well, here it is again, and it's... all about the pace in transition. They're so quick to get out from the back. And what about the finish? That requires so much technical ability to get that right. What a goal that is.
Well, it has taken a Herculean effort for them to get back to level pegging under these trying circumstances. And the counter looks on here. Options available. They need to get bodies back. Well, that is how to break up a counter-attack. Leroy Sané. And fed forwards, but mistimed his run.
Well, he's got the timing all wrong there. He just needs to bide his time.
Martinelli. Able to skip past his man. He got in the way of that cross. Well, a piece of quick thinking by the keeper.
Well, that's great goalkeeping. He read it so well, didn't he?
Diogo Dalot. Back with Sané. the far post, it's Marcus Rashford. Well, nothing comes of it. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. Gabriel Jesus. Diogo Dalot. Throw into Arsenal coming up. And it's Gabriel Jesus. Can they convert? Superb save.
Well, he should score, of course, but that's a brilliant save.
Corner kick played in. Well, it might still work out for them. And the flag is up. Offside.
Well, that's just a lack of awareness. He was clearly in an offside position.
And there goes the whistle. That closes the book on the first half here at Old Trafford. It really was a top-notch effort from Gabriel Jesus in the first 45. Interested to know what you made of it.
Well, he was excellent in that first half. He almost ran the game at times with his passing ability.
Underway at Old... Away they go again. Second half is underway here. Who can he pick out? Can they get themselves in front here? And the keeper more than equal to the task. Well, a chance here perhaps to invigorate their aerial targets. Can he put them in front? Well, it was a wonderful chance, but the goalkeeper comes through.
Yes, Derek, we have to give credit to the keeper, but surely he should have scored there. That's a big, big chance.
It's a short one. El Neni. Well, credit to him for trying it. Didn't miss by much. Chouameni. Perfectly positioned to take it away. And now, passing it through. And there it is, a chance. Quite simply, an opportunity wasted. Easy for the keeper. Bellingham. Plenty of support here. Sané. And there is the goal to make it a hat-trick. Excellence in finishing, there for all to see.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace in transition. They're so quick to get out from the back, and then the shot is emphatic. He strikes it with such power, the keeper has no time to react. What a good finish.
Well, having fallen behind, the onus is on Arsenal to come up with an articulate response. He read the situation defensively and did his job. De Ligt. And a quick reminder, we'll have action from the fourth round of the Carabao Cup here on EA TV. It's Manchester United taking on Leicester City.
Well, we're down to the last 16 now, so plenty to play for in that game, in what will be a tough encounter. Well, the fans are going mad here. They think that was a penalty.
And Bellingham. On to Bruno Fernandes. And a significant block following that cross. Well, it wasn't all that far off the target.
Well, you're absolutely right. That was close, but the game is still very much in the balance here.
Gabriel Martinelli. Now, let's see what they can do here. Well, they're doing their best to get on level terms here.
Well, it's a decent effort, but they're still trailing. They need something special here. Well, I can't believe Arsenal are losing here. They've created so many good opportunities, but unless they score soon, they'll start to get frustrated.
And he read it well defensively. And that's great work to make sure it didn't go over the line. And a quick reminder, we'll have action from the fourth round of the Carabao Cup here on EA TV. It's Arsenal facing Brentford.
Well, we're down to the last 16 now, so plenty to play for in that game, in what will be a tough encounter.
Xhaka! And look at that, a goal here for Arsenal, who now have got themselves on terms. And it's level again here. Both sets of fans being put through something of an emotional mangle. A good and fair challenge. El Neni. Thomas Partey. Martial. Might be a chance here. Well, the keeper was called upon and delivered.
Well, he's so good in those 1v1 moments, and he's proved it yet again.
Now sending it in. That's the clearance that was needed. And in with a real chance. Really digging in at the back, but still the opportunity. Well, that's how to do it inside your own penalty area. Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. Martinelli, and with that, the attack fizzles out. And promising stuff from Arsenal. Must score! Oh, that's textbook goalkeeping.
Substitution for Arsenal. Coming off the pitch, number 25, coming onto the pitch.
Let's see about the delivery. And the problem not completely solved. And problem solved for now. 20 minutes to go in this one. It's going to be United's free kick. Well, a little lucky to get away without a card. Might be his last warning, though. De Ligt. Interception to snuff out the danger. Martial. Tremendously strong in the tackle. Well, let's see what they have in store for them on the break. Do they have the guile to open up the defence? Must take the lead here. And collected tidily. He had plenty to think about. Giving the ball to the opposition that time. Can he put it in? Well, he had the scent of a hat-trick in his nostrils, but not this time.
Well, he keeps getting into good position. He'll surely get another chance before the end of the game.
United have been getting two substitutes ready, and both will come on. "15 minutes left for play. Sané. Can he do it to take the lead? Well, somehow the goalkeeper got to it.
Well, they've been frustrated for quite a while now, but these fans have suddenly come to life.
Over it comes. Not the best clearance. High quality defending. Now can they counter clinically? Well, it looked highly promising, but it came to nothing in the end. Yuri Timber. Partey. Manchester United venture forward. Do they have a winning goal in their future? Fernandes. Magnificent challenge to win it back. Martial. Can they forge ahead? Marvellous anticipation. Bukayo Saka. Now with Jesus. Now can they make something happen? Has eyes for goal! Well, it turned out to be fairly routine for the keeper in the end. He got a good palm on it. A perfectly taken corner could make all the difference in this game. This one for Arsenal. They will now make use of the substitutes bench. Oh, that is a superb save.
Well, I thought that was the game. Fantastic work by the keeper just to keep them in this.
Well, not out of the woods just yet. This still could be dangerous. Able to skip past his man. And it's still on for him. And a goal! At this stage of the game, it might be decisive. And just look at their supporters.
Well, let's see this again. Look at the bend he gets on this. That struck so cleanly. What a good finish.
Well, a dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider. Bruno Fernandes. Manchester United battling the clock and the scoreline.
Well, as you can see, they don't come much better than this. It's a goal of the highest quality, a wonderful piece of skill.
Well, for neutrals, this is a joy. 5-5. Well, this is far from over. We're going to have 5 minutes of stoppage time. Jorginho. Now with Jesus. Can they grab the lead late on? And no problems at all for the keeper. Making high pressing work for them here. Jorginho. They've got it now, what can they do? Zinchenko. And still they wait for the chance. And the shot just over the top. Bruno Fernandes. Here's Martial now. Rashford. And collected tidily. He had plenty to think about. And the referee brings this contest to an end. It certainly was pulsating. It had us on the edge of our seats. Stuart, your take?
Well, it was excellent entertainment. We saw good quality football, played at a high intensity and goals as well. The draw is a fair reflection of how the game was played.
Sané.
Have you got time for a few questions? No further questions, thank you.